Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome to your EVS class. Today's date is 15 to 2021. 15th February 2021 day is Monday, Monday. We are dealing with chapter 20 from EVS. The name of the chapter is Safety Rules. Today's password is swimming tube. So in this chapter safety rules, we came across this word swimming tube. What is the swimming tube and why should we use swimming tube? Yeah, when you go for swimming classes and when you are very new to the classes, then when you get down into the pool for swimming, then you need to wear this swimming tube. With the help of swimming tube, you should do swimming very initially, because if you wear the swimming tube, you will not be drowned in the water. Okay, so this is one important safety rule that you have to follow when you go for swimming classes. That is swimming with the help of swimming tube. Here, this picture, swimming tube. Rahul and Nikhil go for swimming lessons. They know they must use a swimming tube as they still do not know how to swim. So I hope I am clear with this password swimming tube. Now children, I request you to open page number 82 in your EVS textbook. Let's solve these exercises. Practice exercise section A. Part A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. We must not play with a. We must not play with a. Options are ball, toy, knife. Which is the right option? We must not play with a knife. Very good. Knife is the right option. Second one. While learning to swim, we must use a. While learning to swim, we must use a what? Blade? No. Swimming tube? Yes. And option is scissors? No. Swimming tube is the right answer. And that is the password for today. While learning to swim, we must use a swimming tube. Come to practice exercise section A, part B. Page number is same, page number 82. Take the correct action and cross the wrong action. Read the sentence. If the sentence is correct, if it is correct action, then put a tick mark in the circle. If the action is wrong, then put a cross mark in the circle. So read the sentence. First one. We must get into a moving bus. Should we get into a moving bus? No, very dangerous. We should not get into a moving bus. So this is wrong action. So cross the wrong action. Cross. Second one. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Correct action or wrong action? Yes, correct action. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. So this is right. So we must get into a moving bus is wrong action. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing is correct action. Children, now let's do fill in the blanks. We have fill in the blanks in page number 82 and even in page number 83. Now page number 82 and page number 83, fill in the blanks. Give me a second to erase the board. Look here children. Actually, I forgot about this practice exercise section B. Okay, so I've written practice exercise section B, which is still in page number 82. So we are in page number 82 only. So let's do this. Practice exercise section B, part A. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. So first one is, we must not touch. We must not touch. What we shouldn't touch? A. Electric plugs. B. Pencil box. C. Both. A. Electric plugs. Yes. We must not touch electric plugs. We can touch pencil box. So it is not both. So this option is wrong. This option is wrong. Okay. So A. We must not touch electric plugs. Second one. We must not dash out of the window of a moving bus. And options are lean. L-E-A-N, lean. B is C and both. We must not dash out of the window of a moving bus. Option A, lean. What do you mean by lean? Lean is, if opening a window and just going close to the window and putting your head near that. Okay, leaning. You are leaning onto something like this. Okay, you should never do that. Okay, so lean. We must not lean out of the window of a moving bus. So lean is the right answer. We must not see out of the moving bus. You can of course sit and see. Okay, so no problem. Both, no, this is not the right answer. So we must not lean, L-E-A-N, lean, out of the window of a moving bus. It means you shouldn't bend or go close to the window and look out of the moving bus. You must not lean. Okay, this is leaning. Okay, going close and touching your body to something is leaning. Okay, so never do that. You must not lean out of the window of a moving bus. Then now let's go to the fill in the blanks. Look at this, children. Page number 82 and page number 83. Practice exercise section B, part B. You have fill in the blanks. And here is a box, and this box has 3 words. Okay. Number 1 is safety rules. Q-U-E-U-E, Q, and footpath. Okay, 3 sentences are given here. Read the sentence and complete the blank. First one, we must always walk on the dash. Okay, we must always walk on the safety rules. Q, we must always walk on the footpath. F-O-O-T, foot, P-A-T-H, path. Second one, we must always stand in a dash while waiting for the bus. We must always stand in a dash while waiting for the bus. Safety rules. Q. Yes. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. We must always stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. Third one. We must follow dash all the time. We must follow safety rules. We must follow safety rules all the time. Safety rules. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety, R-U-L-E-S, rules. All the time. So now you have filled up the blanks. Now sentences are complete. Let's check once again. We must always walk on the footpath. We must always stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. We must follow safety rules all the time. Next, page number 83, part C. Part C. Tick what we should do and cross the ones we should not do. Look at the pictures here. First picture. Look, here boy is walking on zebra crossing. Yes, black and white stripes. So this is For sure, this is zebra crossing. So this is right option. Okay. So take the right option. I think this is given as footpath here. Okay, this is given as footpath, children. See, stripes are given as zebra crossing stripes, but it's given that always walk on the footpath. So this is a picture of footpath. So whatever it is, even if you consider as zebra crossing or if you consider as footpath, it is right action. Okay. So this is right action. Then look here. What is the boy doing? Jumping out of the window, climbing the windows. Wrong. Shouldn't do that. And look at the third action. This boy is using his swimming tube to swim. Yes, it is important to use swimming tube when you don't know how to swim. So these two are right actions. These two are right actions and this is wrong action. Now, Rahul touches the electric wires at home. Tell him why he should not do this. Okay, why he should not do this? Because they cause harm to him. It is very bad to touch electric wires because they give you shock. So always be away from electric wires, plugs, sockets and hot iron. Okay. Next activity. Color these traffic lights and fill in the blanks. Color these traffic lights. Okay. Traffic lights. So 3 traffic lights. Red, yellow and green. The red light says stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Yellow light says slow down or wait. You can write any answer. And green light says go. So please color these traffic lights and fill up the blanks here. So with this, children, we have finished the book work of this chapter 20 safety rules. Okay. So let's do notebook work tomorrow. That's all for today, children. Please do finish these exercises in your textbook. Tata. Bye-bye. Happy learning.